PJ, lahat ng yellow.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Higupin mo muna yung sabaw, pahigop mo kay PJ.
Yun. Hindi ko.
Sabaw!
Sabaw, PJ, sarap.
Karen, higupin mo muna yung sabaw.
You.
Higupin mo yung sabaw.
Asin.
You.
Salt. Masarap. Sarap nung duck niya. Oh, pero...
Where's the dog?
Ayun, no?
Ayun.
No!
Wait lang! Ba't ang rami?
Okay. Is this Coke? No Coke?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I'll drink the ano, ah.
Ininom lang niya yung sabaw.
Delicious.
Hala, nagkakalat.
Yeah.
Bigyan mo ng spoon, isa lang.
You love but
Ah, Peach, kainin mo na yung, ayan na yung spoon.
Crack that. Go. Peach.
go, go.
Ilapit mo kaya sa kanya, no?
I'm not eating the
Asin.
duck.
Salt, man.
I am not eating the duck, bro. It's disgusting.
I'll give you the duck ate you want.
Mamaya na, ako nang bahala dyan.
Get all.
Ah, you'll eat the all.
That's
All.
good.
That's good. You see? See?
That's yummy.
Yeah, you didn't eat this much, Jana. Edible ba to?
Hindi.
Edible malamang.
Oo, matigas
yung
lang.
yellow.
Pero matigas
Ayun pa,
siya.
may yellow pa sa baba.
Alisin mo na lang yung ano, duck.
Asa, alisin mo yung duck.
Yan, oh, di ba? See, it's all in duck. Yan, oh.
Ayan o, kainin mo na yan ng buo. Kahit yung,
You, Jana, you don't...
pwede mo ngat-ngatin yung ano, ngat-ngatin yung yellow na may, ay yung white na may tira-tirang
PJ,
yellow.
mahilig ka sa matigas, di ba?
Hindi.
Masarap naman
Yan,
sila.
kunin mo lahat.
Put the asin.
Oo.
Masarap naman.
Put asin.
Busog lang ako.
Busog lang.
just
Bili
doing-
pa tayo ng balot.
I'm just doing this for you guys, man.
Pero masarap, yung totoo. Masarap hindi.
Oh, masarap, di
1
ba?
out of 10.
Try mo lagyan ng asin, Peach, masarap.
Yes.
Try to put salt.
Oh.
Oh, wag na yan.
Wow.
Eh,
You try.
Yes, go, Peach!